In the 1800s, rapid industrialization transformed Wales as families migrated from rural villages to booming centres like Merthyr Tydfil and Cardiff. Towns expanded uncontrollably, replacing quiet landscapes with cramped, cheap terraced housing for the growing workforce. Amidst the persistent smog of ironworks and coal mines, urbanisation offered economic progress, but forced many into a grim struggle for survival in overcrowded conditions. Industrial growth triggered brutal overcrowding as families and lodgers were squeezed into single rooms, making privacy impossible. Streets became suffocating labyrinths, teeming with people, animals, and noise. Houses were built so densely that sunlight rarely reached the damp alleyways, leaving towns to swell beyond their limits as they transformed from quiet communities into cramped, dark districts of brick and bone. Sanitation was virtually non-existent, as homes relied on outdoor privies that frequently overflowed into cesspits. Heavy rain washed human waste, rotting food, and filth through the streets and into the water supply, creating a permanent, sour stench. Without sewers or waste collection, these towns became breeding grounds for disease, making clean water a rarity and contamination unavoidable. Disease spread with terrifying speed as cholera and typhoid swept through Welsh towns, killing victims within hours. With little medical understanding of germs, effective cures and prevention were almost impossible. Families lived in constant fear, watching neighbours succumb to a silent battle against overcrowding, poor hygiene, and contaminated water. Work in mines and ironworks was relentless and lethal. Men and boys laboured in suffocating coal-dusted tunnels, while above ground, furnaces roared day and night, cloaking towns in permanent smoke. Despite constant exhaustion, frequent injuries, and the ever-present threat of death, this dangerous toil remained the sole income for many families. Children were the industrial era's most vulnerable victims, often working in mines or factories from age 5. Pushed beyond their limits, they faced exhaustion, malnourishment, and stunted growth, with survival always taking priority over education. Their childhoods were defined by the sting of coal dust and the roar of machinery, replacing play and learning with relentless hardship. Swansea was nicknamed Copperopolis due to toxic fumes from its copper works, which stained buildings black and coated streets in soot. The metallic air and orange-glow skies caused constant respiratory issues and eye irritation for residents. This pollution poisoned the soil and rivers, proving that industrial progress came at a devastating cost to both the environment and human health.